Hello everyone and welcome back to study of SYBA Compulsory English Semester 3. So students, in this video we will discuss most important 25 questions on the topics such as grammar, vocabulary and soft skills. I hope it will be useful in your exams. In the grammar section, we have the passive voice, direct and indirect speech, negative sentences. Now let's begin with our questions. Our first question is, we had completed our study, and the options are: our study had completed by us, our study has been completed by us, our study had been completed by us, none of these. Students, here the sentence is given in the active form and you have to identify the correct form of passive voice. Make sure the construction of the sentence is different, however the meaning is same. Students, हे लक्षात ठेवा की ॲक्टिव्ह व्हॉइसचे पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइसमध्ये रूपांतर करताना वाक्याची फक्त रचना बदलते परंतु अर्थ बदलत नाही. And the correct answer is option C. Our study had been completed by us. Question number 2. The program will start soon. Choose the negative sentence. And the options are: the program will not start soon, the program is start soon, the program will start soon, all of these. And the correct answer is option A. The program will not start soon. Question number 3. Ketan said, I did my study. And the options are: Ketan said that he had done his study. Ketan asked that he has done study. Ketan said that he was done his study. Ketan say he had done his study. And the correct answer is option A. Ketan said that he had done his study. Question number 4. They like reading. Options are: affirmative sentence, negative sentence, question, all of these. And the correct answer is option A. Affirmative sentence. Question number 5. The boys were playing cricket. And the options are: cricket was played by the boys, cricket was being played by the boys, cricket is being played by the boys, cricket has been played by the boys. या वाक्यामध्ये वाक्याचा करेक्ट पॅसिव्ह फॉर्म ओळखायचा आहे. सो यू हॅव टू चूज करेक्ट पॅसिव्ह फॉर्म अँड द करेक्ट आन्सर इज ऑप्शन बी. Cricket was being played by the boys. Question number 6. The Delhi police have issued the description of a man. Choose the correct passive form of the given sentence. Options are: the description of a man was issued by the Delhi police. The description of a man is issued by the Delhi police. The description of a man has been issued by the Delhi police. The description of a man had issued by the Delhi police. And the correct answer is option C. The description of a man has been issued by the Delhi police. Question number 7. The teacher said Sita can write the essay. And the options are: the teacher said that Sita could write the essay. The teacher said that Sita will write the essay. The teacher says the Sita can write the essay. None of these. And the correct answer is option A. The teacher said that Sita could write the essay. Question number 8. Vinaya does not like cake. And the options are: question, negative sentence, affirmative sentence, none of these. And the correct answer is option B. Negative sentence. Question number 9. Sudha said Amita may give the book. And the options are: Sudha told Amita may give the book. Sudha says that Amita may give the book. Sudha said that Amita might give the book. Sudha said Amita might give the book. Correct answer is option C. Sudha said that Amita might give the book. Question number 10. They sing a song in the morning. And the options are positive sentence, negative sentence, affirmative sentence, both A and C. And the correct answer is option D, both A and C. Question number 11. The study of handwriting is called climatology, graphology, botany, meteorology. And the correct answer is option B, graphology. Question number 12. The meaning of the idiom handle with kid gloves is try harder, try smarter, treat delicately, none of these. And the correct answer is option C, treat delicately. Question number 13. Write the prefix of the word possible. And the options are in, im, un, on. Here we get new words by adding the letters, that is called prefix, and it changes the meaning of the word. Now the correct answer is option B, im, and we will get the word impossible. Question number 14. To keep your head, and the options are to be calm, to be aloof from, to become hungry, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, to be calm. Question number 15. The study of ancient societies. And the options are history, archaeology, philosophy, anthropology. And the correct answer is option B, archaeology. Question number 16. The meaning of this idiom cut off a corner is, options are to cut a portion of the road, to go fast, to take a shortcut, all of these. And the correct answer is option C, to take a shortcut. Question number 17. Write the suffix for the word environment, and the options are FUL, full, ESSALENCE. Here a suffix is a letter or a group of letters added at the end of words to form a new word. So we have correct answer option C, AL, and we will get the word environmental. Question number 18. Write the meaning of the idiom to feel blue. On the options are happy, feel depressed, shy, delicious. And the correct answer is option B, feel depressed. Question number 19. One who always expects good things to happen is called, options are pessimist, sad, optimist, idealist. And the correct answer is option C, optimist. Question number 20. The meaning of this idiom donkey's ears is, options are a short sleep, a rider, to make a story, a very long time. And the correct answer is option D, a very long time. Question number 21. It is for soft skills. What is teamwork? And the options are working within a group, listening one another, adaptability of members, all of these. And the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 22. Which of these is not a soft skill? And the options are time management, communication skills, professionalism, computer course. And the correct answer is option D, computer course. Question number 23. The qualities of a good leader are, options are a good communicator, a motivator, confidence, all of these. And the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 24. Soft skills are non-technical skills that relate to, options are personal attitudes, social skills, positive personality to manage the work, all of these. And the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 25. Communication is a part of, options are hard skills, creative skills, soft skills, all of these. And the correct answer is option C, soft skills. So guys, hope you are doing well. Thank you and I wish you all the best for your exam.